Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Antec P101 Silent Performance Series Mid-Tower PC case. If you're someone who values a quiet computing experience without compromising on performance, you might want to stick around for this review. First off, let's talk about the design and build of this case. Antec has really put an emphasis on sound dampening here, with top, front, and side panels all geared towards minimizing noise. The alloy steel construction feels solid and durable, giving you peace of mind for your components. Now, onto the cooling system. With four 120-140mm fans pre-installed and support for up to 4 additional fans, airflow is not something you'll need to worry about. Plus, there's ample room for a 360mm radiator if liquid cooling is more your style. In terms of compatibility, this case is versatile. It supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and ATX motherboards, giving you plenty of options for your build. Cable management is made easy with ample routing holes, and there's enough space for even large CPU coolers and graphics cards. I also appreciate the thoughtful touches on the I/O panel, including fan speed control and LED lighting for USB ports. It's these small details that can really enhance the user experience. Overall, the Antec P101 Silent Performance Series Mid-Tower PC case delivers on its promise of quiet computing without sacrificing performance. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who prefers a peaceful workspace, this case is definitely worth considering for your next build. That's it for today's review. Be sure to hit that like button if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy building! Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.